Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
Crew, to the wheel.
On a bright and sunny day, five ducks set sail. In a big fairy ship, they began their tale. With feathers so fluffy and eyes full of glee, they quacked with excitement, as happy as can be.
Focus, crew. The sea demands
The captain was Ducky, with the hat on his head. He stood by the wheel while the others fed. Quack, quack, said the first duck, let's race with the breeze. And off they all waddled to splash in the seas. The waves gently rocked them, they laughed in delight, as seagulls flew high in the shimmering light. We'll float past the islands where palm trees sway free, said Feathery Flora, with a giggle of glee. They played hide and seek behind boxes of bait, while Ducky kept steering. Oh, what fun to create! With each little quack and every small cheer, their laughter rang out for all boats nearby.
Steady on, crew.
To hear.
This storm won't best us.
Then came along Tilly with ribbons so bright. She twirled on her toes like a star in flight. Join me for dancing, she called from the deck. And soon all five ducks were making quite a speck. Around and around spun their colorful crew, with flaps and soft quacks like sweet morning dew. Together they twinkled beneath skies so blue. Five ducks on a journey where friendships grew true.
Focus, crew.
But then clouds rolled over, a shadowy scene. The wind had picked up and turned crisp and mean. Oh dear, cried brave Ducky as he gripped tight his helm. Hold fast, my friends, we will weather this realm. Through splashes and swells they held on to their dreams, as rain danced upon them like sparkling moonbeams. With courage united through stormy distress, these five little ducks found strength in togetherness. At last when it cleared, the sun shone once more. They cheered for their voyage across ocean floor. Five ducks on a ferry had stories to share, of laughter and courage.
All right, crew, a story
that floated through air.
Watch your weight.
Look, the sun is breaking through the clouds.
All hands jump for Joe.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.